Ko makarena hōtene ahau. We're here today to acknowledge the tāne who have completed and gained qualifications. While we would much rather see our tāne on their own marae, the reality is that today, they aren't. These programs are delivered in places where the mātauranga belongs. On marae, in kura, kohangareo, whare wānanga, whare hauora, and other local spaces. This means the wānanga can take place in settings that make sense for them. So we're here to bring these tāne home. Home to themselves, home to their whānau, and home to their iwi.
I studied pauhono, pōkai tahireo, pai for the pauhonos and pōkai tahireo under Ash for the pauhonos and mihi mate for pōkai tahireo.
He really inspired me, this boy. Really tūturu. Hara mai rā me kā.
So my initial thoughts, I was a bit nervous and anxious. I was at a place where I try and find who I am as a person, because this whole kaupapa, this realm is one of the biggest things that I neglected and tended to push away when I ended up venturing down the other path. This course has humbled me and just been me. And I'm not fully there, but I'm on my way there. Every time I'll take a step out into wanting to change, sometimes I'll get whakamā, shame and a bit overwhelmed, so I'll tend to retreat back into my little barrier that I know is the life that I've lived for so long. The other side that I'm trying to make it to is my identity, and I'm not all the way there, but I'm on the pathway, and I'm just at a new stage of my new hikoi anyway.